Alright, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, another vlog. It's your boy Monte 1K. We got Legend getting in the car. Yeah. Bro, why you always got some food, bro? You fat, bro.
Grandma.
No, I feel that though. Grandma be cooking up and shit.
What's going on, man?
Not much, man. I guess we finna, I gotta go get gas, and then we going to go look at some cars.
That's crazy. I was thinking about throwing on some shorts too. You got too fly for me. Look at this, man, bro. You told him get this clean, bro.
Bro, it's for the thumbnail.
I told him get this clean, what?
I only put this shit on for the thumbnail.
But you got that shit on though.
I got a little something on.
That's
No
crazy.
bullshit. But yeah, man, we finna head to the gas station right now. I had to fill up this is like an everyday thing, and then yeah, we going to the car lot. So let's do it. Alright, YouTube. So we just pulled up to the location, and what the fuck? Nah, this is actually insane. I'm not gonna cap. Let me goddamn. Where my keys go? Where the hell my keys go? Oh, still got the red key on there. I need to take that off. Yo, what the fuck? This the biggest goddamn Urus. The biggest boss. Take a look.
I think you said you already checked it out.
Yeah, I took a look at it at Mercedes, but I was in a rush, so I didn't really get a good look at it. But yeah, how y'all feel though? I've been asking myself this question for months now. Though. Do I want to keep the Huracan or do I want to get a Urus? Or should I get a fucking Evo? Y'all know what an Evo is. It's like an upgraded version of that. All these options are on the table. I don't know. Like, this feels like, I like this. This is cool. Like, just imagine me just driving, just on some cool shit. Like, yo, type shit. Nah, man, this is definitely like an upgrade from the Huracan, in my opinion. I mean, I have a 17 Huracan. This is a 2020 Ram truck. So, Alcantara in here. Bro, I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. But does it give you the same wow factor as when you see a Huracan? Like, if you was just a random nigga, sitting down at like a table or something, right? And you seen this drive by, or you seen this drive by, which one making you pull out your phone and take a picture?
Probably this one.
The truck?
Both.
Both? I mean, they're both Lambos, but
Yeah, it's just because of the color for real. The color would make it pop. Like, if this shit was like white, I wouldn't.
oh yeah. No, it's gonna be a bright color for sure. It's gonna be a bright color. I would go yellow though. That might be my go-to for the year.
Yellow, that bitch gonna look like a school bus coming through.
It's motherfucking Urus, man. This guy is different. I'm not gonna lie. She different. Should I go Urus though? Yo, should I go Urus though? I'd really just be back here going stupid. Like, don't even play. Bro, what the like, this shit really hard. Oh, I would prefer the TVs. I would prefer to have the TVs in here, but if I don't get them, then that's obviously fine. Like, I don't care. This thing is beautiful. I wonder why they can't sell it. Judy. Soft closed doors for the front and the back. 23-inch wheels on here. I'm doing to open this up. This, if y'all don't know, this is for the suspension to go put the car up and down. in the back. This shit. Oh, this close it? Oh, yeah. Well, duh. Duh. Can I grab my phone out of here real quick? Yeah. It's a phone? Oh, appreciate you. They said they're interested in buying, man, so we're letting them check it out. Performante style bumper, but I gotta call my dog, man. Let me see what he think. But I put him on the vlogs. Let me know what he think. Damn, my phone about to die. What? No. One of the real reasons why I planning on hopping into a Urus, man, is just due to the fact that I'm about to start traveling more. Like I swear to God, when I get up out of I'm traveling, I'm driving, and I don't like to fly when I travel. Like I like to drive. So I'm talking about mountain trips, cabin trips. We driving to Texas, we driving to Cali, we driving to New York, bro. We driving to Chicago, bro. We're literally going. This is gonna be like a car I just hop on the road. Now it's like if you're out somewhere, you wanna dress to impress in a sense, like with your car. So you want to have something nice. So I would drive the BMW everywhere, but that's literally gonna be like I'm turning that into a damn race car, and this gonna be some like everyday shit. Then I get like a daily that I just drive around my little town wherever I move to, Houston. But yeah, man, it's just more practical than the Huracan. I've already had the Huracan. All of them are damn near the same, bro. I don't care what you say. Oh, the STO. The this, the that, the Performante, the 640, the Evo, the 610, the R, bro, all of them the same, bro. They're all literally the same, man. They're literally just, at the end of the day, just a Huracan. And the Huracan is just a Huracan, bro. But this is something different for me. Like, I feel like this will be a new chapter. A new chapter for me, man. 17,000 miles on this guy. Let me see what the massage he's talking about, though. Give me the key right here. The key is not as cool as my key, but whatever. Still a Lambo key at the end of the day. Shit, what are you talking about? That's a Audi key for real right there. Bro, this shit is so hard, bro. That's tough. No, that's tough. I really just sat there and watched that shit like I'm a bot. But put that bitch in course and y'all can hear the course and move, crank up. I'm still looking for the massage seats though. Oh, hold on, let me see. Oh shit, oh shit. Yo, the speakers, that's another thing, bro. The speakers sound good here. Well, they're not the best, but they definitely sound a lot better than the Huracan. Bro, I feel like a bot. Where are the oh here you go. I think we coming up on it now. You can, bro, what? Alright, that's different. You can make them hug you more? What? No, what the fuck? Alright. Alright. I'm rocking with that. Where the hell is the massage season, bro? The massage season.
this not have that? Does it not have it? Like, am I not doing something right? I feel like I'm not doing something right. I might be a bot. I'm not gonna lie. I might be a bot. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Oh, you gotta turn on massage seats. That shit not gonna work.
Could you repeat that again?
No. It took a lot of me. It took a lot out of me to say it the first time. I don't see it, bro. I don't see the massage seats. I feel like is there not an option for it? I don't know. Wireless charger. SP SIM card. We got 2 USBs in there. It's more practical. I like it. It's fun. That has seat memory. I like that. The fact that has seat memory is tough to me. But yeah, man, I'm gonna goddamn play around with the car. They're appraising the Lambo now, so we're gonna see what we can do. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna catch y'all in a little bit, let y'all know what numbers we running, what numbers we getting, things of that nature. But yeah, man, stay tuned. No cap. All right, y'all, man, we back at the crib, and I'm actually editing the video that I just left off on, but yeah, anyway, I'm just editing the video I just left off on, and basically I just want to know what y'all think. Should I go Huracan, or should I keep the Huracan, or should I go Urus? I feel like I want to try different things. I really don't like to have a car for more than a year. I feel like the month I got this car, I feel like it's gonna be that time for me to get another one. Or I could swap it out with another Huracan, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm just testing the waters. But like I said, man, I do want an SUV. I never had an SUV before. No, I don't want a Trico because I don't want it to get stolen. So I could go GLE, X6M, X5M, X3M. I don't know. I just want an SUV, bro. I never had one. So just all depends. But in the meantime, man, I love y'all boys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. So yeah, I'm going.